It was a regular Monday morning for John, a 12-year-old boy living in a small village in Ghana. As he woke up, his stomach grumbled. He knew there was no breakfast waiting for him. The poverty his family endured meant meals were uncertain. His parents worked hard in their small farm, but the droughts and pests often ruined their harvest. This year's harvest was meager again. As John's stomach rumbled, the international community was marking World Food Day to raise awareness on issues like hunger, food security, and poverty that John's family faced daily. World Food Day has been held every year on October 16 since 1945. It commemorates the founding of the UN Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). The FAO launched World Food Day to promote awareness of global hunger and grow understanding of environmental impacts on food production. World Food Day highlights the need for sustainable agricultural and economic models to produce adequate food and spur development in poor countries. Nearly 690 million people worldwide still go hungry, according to the FAO, with poverty as the main cause. Climate change, war, and crop disease threaten to worsen food insecurity for the vulnerable. On World Food Day, countries reaffirm their commitment to achieving zero hunger by 2030, one of the key sustainable development goals adopted by the UN. People all over the world organize events to celebrate World Food Day. Volunteers distribute food to the needy. Schools and communities hold food drives to donate to local food banks. Policymakers participate in roundtable discussions on food waste and support for farmers. Chefs create dishes using native crops to promote biodiversity. Social media campaigns spread the message of sustainable diets and reducing food waste. For John, World Food Day is a hope that the situation in his village may change. That with global support, Ghana can provide inputs and training for the farmers to improve crop yields, build infrastructure, and empower communities to gain better access to markets, create jobs to lift families out of poverty, invest in nutrition programs so no child goes hungry. World Food Day is a chance to raise voices for those struggling and work together towards a zero hunger world. Every action matters in feeding the future. October 16 is World Food Day. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a special World Food Day. Cheers!